What's up, YouTube? Here today again to show y'all another review on one of my firearms. This is the Century Arms 7.62 by 39 AK pistol. But before we go any further, let me show y'all. It is empty. And I just want to say, like, on the internet, this gun get a lot of mixed reviews. Some say they ain't reliable, some say they jam, some say they blew up. Well, me personally, I done put 100 rounds through this one, and I haven't had one malfunction. 30 round mag it come with. And just for y'all that don't know what a 7.62 by 39 look like, this is what it looks like. Just some old cheap ammo I'm running just to be shooting and playing with. But yeah, 100 rounds, no malfunctions, and I'm gonna probably get it back out to put another 200 through it just to see what it do and how it hold up. I have took it apart and I have oiled this gun and cleaned it once, and that was before the 100 rounds, but no problem. So what I was running in it at the time was this 75 round drum. That's what I was running in it when I put the 100 through it. So it's like I ran that whole drum and then I refilled it and put a couple more through it. But overall, it's been good to me. It ain't gave me no problems at all. And I'm gonna continue to shoot it. And I'm gonna put this mag in to show y'all what it looks like. That's how it look. The mag in it. Yep. I'm gonna put the drum in to let y'all see what it look like too. Stand up, we'll see. It don't. You don't want to stand up, but you know. It's what we got right here. 75 round, loaded, ready to go. Well, if I had it actually loaded, it'd be ready to go. But yeah, you see it right there. Oop, the tip that would be alright. But yeah, Century Arms, 7.62 by 39 AK pistol. No problems at all. Ready to go.